So, first thing in the morning, na drink, an empty stomach, masarap na apple cider. Pantangin. It regulates blood sugar, ganyan. Mga ganun shit. So, cider, vinegar. Ang gago pa yan. Ang gago. Turmeric helps with inflammation. If you're fasting, this actually also helps. Well, for me, make it a habit that I fast. Hopefully, to do a 72-hour fast. So, okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Actually, nagawa ko na to dati. Pero before, I was still smoking when I was doing this shit. So now, I'm not smoking anymore. So let's see. Actually, mas okay eh. Mas natural kasi hindi ka na nag-EOC. Natural, mas okay yung pakiramdam mo. Sinakto ko naman kasi na rest day, Saturday, Sunday. So, yeah. Napakasarap na ito, guys. So yummy. Motherfucker. Ang sarap-sarap. Ang tamis-tamis. Okay ng ina mo. So, okay din na i-put Celtic salt sa water mo. Pinch lang. Para may electrolytes ka. Kasi nga, when you're fasting, you get dehydrated as well. So, you have to stay hydrated all time. Okay? Alam yan, alam.